Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and shapes. Black color. The next one is blue color. Kids, now we use red color. The next one is green color. Now we use yellow color. And the last one is vermilion color. Kids, now start coloring. First we use black color and draw capital letter alphabets. A. Now we draw A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for bat. Kids, now we draw C. We again use black color. C for cow. The next one is D, and now we use blue color. Blue color. D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. Now we draw F. Now we use red color and draw numbers. First we draw 1. O-N-E, 1. Kids, the next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next one is 4, and now we use green color. Now we use green color and draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, we again use green color. Now we draw 2D shapes. First we use green color and draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we use yellow color. The shape of circle. Now we draw triangle. Vermilion color. The next one is heart, and now we use blue color. The shape of heart. The next one is star. We again use blue color. Kids, today we draw A, B, C, D, E. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.